Your search is over, an excellent opportunity to purchase a pool home with well-chosen personal amenities, including 2 added outbuildings such as a solid block 2-story garage workshop teenage retreat with dual HVAC and a deluxe cabana office with wood floors, a sea and a covered porch, all located inside a fenced yard with mature eye-popping landscaping, a pool with a real rock waterfall in black and brown Pebbletec finish, and enough covered storage space for a boat, jet skis, TVs. Would be the envy of the area. Enjoy the flexibility of a serene, relaxed setting, yet nearby to restaurants, dining, and entertainment. You can have it all: a country setting nearby historic downtown Winter Garden, future golf cart-friendly roads, and NO HOA. Constructed in 1998 and updated over the years, a home like this on a half-acre is rare. Pride of ownership is evident. An appealing first impression says it all: large canopy trees, colorful mature landscaping, a big front lawn, a covered front porch, an extended wide driveway large enough to park a full-size RV motorhome, and updated roof in 2011. As a custom-built home, you won't find a cookie-cutter layout but a flexible space for everyone to enjoy. The foyer with a glass insert front door opens to a roomy dining room with built-in recessed storage and quartz counters, an adjacent dedicated home office with pocket doors, and the centrally located living room, upgraded kitchen, and large family room. The dining area, like many others, features brand new windows installed in 2021 and access to the kitchen featuring built-in appliances, a 5-burner gas cooktop, Cohiba granite, an abundance of cabinet storage, 2 pantries, tile backsplash, and recessed lighting. The kitchen looks upon a bonus area with a stone gas fireplace, dinette, and pool view. The family room is massive and perfect for large furniture. It offers new flooring, multiple windows with a pool view, and built-in recessed storage with a quartz counter. As a split-bedroom floor plan, you will appreciate the primary suite with double closets, new flooring, room for a king-size bed, and a remodeled private bath in 2021, with modern complements such as separate vanities with recessed square sinks, stone counters, and an oversized jetted soaking tub with a huge window and a large walk-in shower with seamless glass and marble subway tile. The other bedrooms are roomy with ample closet space. Let's not forget the remodeled second full bath. It's beautiful, the same caliber as the primary, plus access to the pool. Off the kitchen is a guest half bath for added convenience and access to the attached 2-car oversized garage. Outside, the backyard is perfect. Vibrant landscaping and a relaxing pool with a waterfall and paver patio are all nestled between the cabana on the left and the workshop garage to the right. The cabana is perfect as a play area, craft studio, office. The workshop garage